Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? Thanks for tuning in. If it's your first time coming across my channel, my name is Kawa. Feel free to join this amazing family by hitting the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. And to my old subscribers, thank you so much. God bless you. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make this DIY using expression braiding hair. Okay, so firstly, what I'm doing here, I'm going to be cutting the braiding hair into two. The color I'll be using on this braiding hair, I'm using purple color 1 and color 8. Yes, I use 3 colors all together, so that's what I'm going to be using. So what I'm doing, basically I just split the hair into 2 and I'm going to feather the tips out. Okay, yes, so after feathering the tips out, I'll just go ahead and brush it. After brushing it, I'll be showing you guys how it looks. Okay, so basically here I just feathered the tips out and I went ahead and brushed it. So after brushing it, this is how it turns out. So I mixed the black color and the color 8 together, and I used the purple color separately. So I've already have my piece of cloth on the chair. I prefer piece of cloth because I don't like using thread. Okay, you can as well use thread if you want, but I prefer this piece of cloth. Okay, so I'm going to be cutting a pieces of the braiding hair out and start braiding it on the piece of cloth. Okay, yeah, so I can as well call it thread, but it's not thread, guys. Yeah, so what I did, firstly I just twisted it once, and after I divide it into 3 parts, sorry, and I start braiding it. This is what I did. So yeah, so I'm still braiding it, guys. As you can see, you have to share it equally so that the braid can come out neat and nicely. Okay, so I repeated the same thing here until when I finish it. That's how I repeated the same step. Twist it once and after share it into 3 parts and started braiding it. Okay, this is what I did on this DIY. So I just go ahead and measure it because you want everything to be on the same length. Okay, you will not like when one is longer than one. It's nice when everything is on the same length. Okay, so I will be showing you one more time, and after I will go ahead and go off camera and continue the braiding, and I will be showing you the outcome later on. Okay, guys. So I've braided 3 of it. This is how it turns out. Yeah, so this is how far I've braided this hair. So this is it, and I'll go ahead and finish the rest part. So this is it, guys. After I finish braiding all of the hair, this is how it turns out. So the second step I'll be doing right now is to cut my thread and face the coiling part. Okay, we are going to move on to the coiling part. Look at how beautiful it is, guys. I love the colors I use. I love it. Okay, so yeah, what I'll be doing, I just go ahead and cut a thread. Yes, so I take 3 pieces together, as you can see, and yeah, take 3 pieces together. I brush it, and I'll just go ahead and use my thread to tie it, to thread it rather, yeah, to thread it. As you can see, I will thread it. At the beginning I thread it 5 times, and after I'll just go ahead and do it loose thread. Okay, loose thread for it to be more easier for me to draw it. Okay, so yeah, after that, look at the way I'm doing it, guys. I'm doing it as loose thread. I don't know if I'm right with the way I'm pronouncing it, but yeah, this is how I'm doing it. You don't have to tight it, just like this. Okay, and when you reach at the end, you just draw it back. Okay, you just watch the way I will do it right now. Okay, this is how I achieve the coiling. So after reaching the tip of the hair, I just go ahead and draw it like so, guys. Yes, so that is what I did on this hair. It's quite easy, but not easy. I can say, yeah. So I just go ahead and secure the tip so that it will not get loose. Just go ahead and tie it. Okay, I tie it for like 3 times. Okay, so that it will be well secured. Okay, so yeah, that is it. And after, I'll just go ahead and cut the one I don't want with my scissors. Just cut it out like so. So yeah, I've done 2 I don't want off camera, and this is the 2. So I'll just go ahead and do the remaining ones like so. So I will be showing you later on. Okay, yes, so yeah, that is what I'm going to be doing. I'm just continue the same process, just like the first one. Just continue the same process, guys. So yeah, that is what I did on this hair. Okay, still trying to secure the tip of the, yeah, just go ahead and cut the one I don't want. I cut it out. So after, I go off camera and finish the remaining ones. So this is how it turns out, guys, after I finish threading it. So I just go ahead and put my hot water on the fire, and after, I'll be putting the hot water on the hair so that the coils and everything can be well coiled. Okay, can be well secured. Okay, I don't know, yeah. So I just have my bowl and I have my hot water. I just go ahead and pour it like so, guys. I just go ahead and pour it like so. So what I'm doing here, basically, I'm trying for the hot water to touch every part of the hair. That is what I'm doing here, so that everything will touch the water and the coils will turn that nicely. So this is it, guys. I'll be leaving it to dry. So for me, I leave it overnight for it to dry before I lose the thread. Okay, so this is the next day. I'm I'm just going ahead to lose the thread, and after you see the coils, okay, after you see the coils, the way it returns out. So I'm trying to remove the thread. Remember the thread I used to thread it later, the thread I used to thread it before, that is what I'm trying to remove out of the hair. Okay, so I've succeeded in removing this one. Look at the way it is, guys. Remember guys, I placed three sticks together, so I just separated it, and this is how it turns out. Okay, so I'll be going ahead to lose all of the thread out of the hair, and I'll be coming back to show you the final result. Yes guys, this is how I'm going to be doing it. Look at that, guys. Look at the way how beautiful it is. I love this hair, guys. I love it, love it, love it. Okay, so I just go off camera to lose the remaining ones, and this is the final result. Yes guys, so this is it. I hope you learned something. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, okay, and turn on your bell button so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. Okay, so I just go ahead and remove the unwanted one from the coils, and we are done. We are done. Thank you so much guys for watching. Stay blessed till I come your way next time. Bye bye.